Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make strongest fat burner slimming drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients, and it's going to speed up your metabolism in minutes and it will increase your fat burning process. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add a teaspoon of coffee powder. You can go with any variety of coffee of your choice. It can be ground, whole bean or instant, but it should not be decaffeinated. We need the caffeine to boost the metabolism and promote fat burning. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of Matcha Green Tea powder. It is finely ground powder specially grown and processed green tea leaves. It improves brain function, increase attention and enhance your memory along with weight loss. It also benefits health by reducing inflammation, aiding weight loss and preventing certain chronic diseases. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. It has appetite suppressing properties. It lowers cholesterol and runs your metabolism more efficiently. You can replace vanilla essence with cinnamon powder if you prefer to. Then goes in a teaspoon of honey. Give all the ingredients a good mix. Then add 1 cup of hot water and mix it really well. Now our strongest fat burner slimming drink is ready to consume. You can drink this on empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or a nursing mother or those with acidity issues with tea or coffee. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try the strongest fat burner slimming drink recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.